4:30 or 4 p.m. in the evening, I got a call from one of my friends. His name is Amrish Padgaonkar.
Hmm. Hmm.
So we are friends. We are basically business friends since 2004, 2003. Okay, long time now, more than 15, 16 years now. So we are still in touch. And then he called me at 4:30 that Tushar, you will get a call from Mr. Goel.
Hmm.
Okay, and you have to talk to him for some of your no, assignments.
Hmm.
So I thought like, so I just asked him कि who is that person, उसका history बता थोड़ा. So he told अरे वो Bosch and Lomb का CFO kind of thing है from India.
अच्छा.
I said okay. So Bosch and Lomb is the spectacles what you are wearing. If you want to get
Yeah. Yeah, that
read out of
very
that specs,
famous
then we
brand.
have
हाँ.
then we have the lenses over there. So my work is basically into surgical products. I
हाँ.
don't deal into any cosmetic products of
Okay.
ophthalmology.
Okay.
So he told me, Tushar, so in the meantime, he was trying to call me the same time yesterday. Same time. He called me at the same time, 5:50. Okay. And I dropped him a message, sir, I am in a Zoom meeting and I'll be free by 6:45. And I'll call you by around 6:45 and 7 o'clock, I will call you. So yesterday, if you observe the thing, the session was little over, like
Longer.
maybe
Yeah.
7, 8
Around
minutes it
7,
was.
8. Yeah.
Yes. I told him, then he messaged me by 6:40. Okay, 6:30 he messaged me, Tushar, I think it's better we'll talk tomorrow morning. So I said, okay, no problem, we'll talk in the morning. Today morning, he called me and believe me, the things are going so fast. I'll tell you what. He called me up at around 9:30. Okay, I was just logged in into my BSc, like the trading account. Then today I thought, okay, let's not do trading and let's do something because I am also on fasting for 9 days.
Okay.
Okay. So I said, okay. So he called me up at 9:30, 9:45, and we were speaking. He told me, Tushar, we are looking forward for a distributor for ophthalmologists. Means there are two segments. One is your doctors, and one is your optician, where you check your eyes. So we are separating them, and we want a person to cater for only doctors. So which is my main forte. So he said, okay. I said, okay, no problem. Send me your proposal. I'll get through it. And this Ambrish has already recommended him yesterday. Okay. Then there is another friend of mine who is in Bosch and Lomb. This guy, Goel, called him up. His name is Sandeep Kadam. And Sandeep Kadam told him, sir, there is no option if you're looking for any distributor kind of thing. Tushar is the only option there. Okay. So now the situation is what basically I was worried for fundings. Like, maybe what happens here? Funding ka rahega, then how much should I invest here? So by 11 o'clock, he sent me a mail. And believe me, I'll share you a snapshot after this session. The investment what he was asking, like he was telling, Tushar, you people have to start it, we are looking forward for a guy, and my sales team will be talking. I was worried about the deposits, like in our term they ask a lot of bank guarantees, BGs they ask.
Yeah.
So believe me, there is no BG is asking.
Wonderful.
And
Wow, that's
great.
it.
And grace of God and grace of everyone, I might conclude that by end of this Navratri, it should be through. It should be through.
It
Let's hope.
will be, should be, क्या हो गया? Done.
सुबह मुबारक हो भाई, मुबारक हो.
Thank you so
अरे
much.
हो गया
Congratulations,
सब हो गया
Tushar.
मुबारक
Super.
हो.
It is
So
done.
then again, what happened? Then I thought ki just this is a good news. Then I again logged in into my daily needs of stock market, and today is one of the again the happiest day because I never come out of without getting anything. So,
You did good trading today.
yeah. Today it was
Wow.
good. Thanks to L&T today.
Wow.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Like it's really a wonderful thing. Like what I am just following the things, and some things which never happened with me in the past, like being a hardcore salesperson, it never happened with me. And one thing to observe is the things which I feel like what you said कि पिछले लोगों को याद करना. पीछे मतलब like I should thank everyone. So कभी मैंने मेरे ख्याल से 4-5 दिन पहले अमरीश को thanks किया था. I don't
See the value of gratitude.
because we were colleagues in the same company. He was my senior, and
Okay.
I used to call him Robert. So because he is like 6'2" height and spectacles है, काफी soda bottle वाले spectacles है, काफी healthy personality है. तो I used to call him Robert. तो I just thanked him कि यार तूने भी मेरा career में मुझे बहुत मदद किया है. मतलब he taught me like what is ophthalmology, basics वगैरह बहुत सारा चीज उसने सिखाया. I never thought like he will call me. बात होता है हमारा, but never for business. So
Wow.
yesterday it was
The
something.
gratitude works, you know, whenever you
Yeah.
do such things, miraculous changes happening your way, you know.
Yeah,
Amazing.
yeah, but what I feel like we have to do it by heart. Okay, it's like, see, remembering everyone. The best part is you have to go deep into your past.
Absolutely.
Many people have done many things for you, but we have never thanked them.
We have never.
So you have to matlab, I don't even remember what my dad has given to me. But
Absolutely.
at the moment, and yesterday's session where you keep on, you see things writing like this is one board which is at my office. This is another board which is big one,
Greenwich.
which is a big one, and one board is at my house. So I keep a note of everything. And from yesterday, what I have after the session, what I have started doing is ki whatever things which I'm going deep into the past now, and I'm keeping a note of everything.
Wow.
What has happened. So that is like reminding me ki what has happened. Let's अरे बहुत दिन हो गया uncle से बात नहीं हो गया. Let's call him up. बहुत दिन हो गया friend से बात नहीं हुआ.
It is
Yeah,
actually.
and it's better like what he said is absolutely right. That Priyanka's day before yesterday's session, Priyanka Chopra's videos, and yesterday was amazing. Like if you want something, you need to keep a note of it.
Absolutely.
So
Writing is the most important. Have you written it? Written it. मतलब हमारे वकीलों में जितने डॉक्यूमेंटेड हैं, जितने रूल नंबर this until and unless it is being declared, you cannot take it as a rule.
Right.
So in every area of your life, whether it is you talk about medical, whether you talk about schools, whether you talk about business, everywhere there are some rules and policies.
Yeah, even if you go in our field also, like now in surgeries which are happening, all need to be documented.
Absolutely.
It is so that is like documentation is it's what you write. And even in our forte like sales for field, it is always said तुम्हारा black and white क्या है वो बता, बाकी छोड़ देते हैं, मेरे को कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. That's the role of our life.
Congratulations, Tufar.
Thank you so much.
For you. I'm so
Thank
happy.
you so much. Thank you so
Amazing.
much.
Amazing. Where do you stay?
I stay in Thane, Mumbai.
So you are in Mumbai. Okay.
So Girish, Nitesh, Kamal.
Okay, you all are in one community.
Yeah.
All buddies together.
Tushar is active in our group also.
Wonderful. For medicine,
Yeah, and
and
Girish inspired me. Like we had a meeting in January, and we were full high that time. Full high. Okay, and when you look at him as a personality wise, everyone feels like यार ऐसा body बनना चाहिए यार जिंदगी में. But वो होता नहीं है. But he has given some tricks after that. Like even Kamal and myself are following. It is like he works out a lot. He has dedicated himself.
He is a self-disciplined man. That
yes. He's superb. And when you listen to him one-on-one, the way he tells कि तेरे को ये करना है, तेरा BMI ऐसा, तेरा ये वो देख के ऐसे स्कैन मार देता है. So then we followed it up, and believe me, madam, last 3 months I have reduced, thanks to lockdown also, I have reduced around 7 kgs of weight.
Wow, cool.
And I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything. I'm
only
just
tips of Girish is working.
Yeah, Girish also. You will look at his biceps. We have no biceps.
See that? Yes.
Actually,
I do remember the first day when he came and introduced himself. There is so much of difference in that Girish and today Girish. I
Yeah.
really acknowledge
True,
you, Girish. I am
I met him. See, we are connected through one of our group, and I met him for the first time that time. But I never thought कि यार इसको मैंने पहले कभी मिला नहीं. He is very open.
yeah, he's
बात करते रहे, very open. And उसने बताया कि ऐसे normally क्या होते हैं कि the guy is like अरे मैं इतना ये मेहनत करके ये करो, इसको क्यों बताऊं? But his nature was totally different. He
he's
said,
open. He's open. Actually.
मैं और कमल full high, and he was giving us tips.
कमल का है आज, अच्छा कमल सुबह आया तभी नहीं आया.
Kamal,
So
Kamal is very dedicated.
Kamal has also reduced a lot of weight.
Yeah, Kamal
And,
has used that. और कमल ने ना अपनी डीपी लगा रखी थी. जब उसकी मैंने कहा ये कौन सा लड़का है, तो मैंने कहा ये तुम्हारी नहीं है मैम, ये बड़ी बहुत पुरानी. मैंने कहा क्यों लगा रखी?
if you would have seen me around 3 months back now, man. Even Girish bhai knows me. My double chin was there, and my waist was around 38. Now it has gone to 36.
Wow,
Wow.
amazing,
Amazing.
wonderful. अनमोल, गिरीश भाई को अपना गुरु बना ले.
ठीक है.
His tips are amazing.
Anytime.
He will never say कि ये मत खा, वो मत खा, वो मत खा. He will never say that. He will say तू खाते रहे, but तेरे को जो बोल रहा हूँ वो वैसे खा.
वो कर. हाँ. That
Done
is the best part, you know. Eating.
Yeah.
खाना नहीं छूटता लोगों से.
नहीं, if you say if someone is eating non-vegetarian and you say अरे बॉस रुक जा अभी ये नहीं खाना है तेरे को, तो फिर he will never talk to Girish. But Girish will tell the other way around. तू तेरे को जितना खाना है ना उतना खा, पर मैं जैसे बता रहा हूँ वैसा खा.
ऐसा कर. That is a, you know,
मैं आपके साथ आ रहा हूँ.
that is a signal of a true mentor, which means
Yeah.
जो आपके participants खाएं, आप उनके comfort zone में रह के you are giving
Yes,
the
yes.
ideas to them.
Yes,
So
yes.
that is the best way out.
That's what like people will say तू 10 किलोमीटर भाग फिर इतना खाना खा, वैसे कुछ नहीं है इसका.
हाँ.
He will say कि ये तू 1 किलो चिकन खाएगा ना 1.5 किलो खा, पर जैसे मैं बता रहा हूँ वैसे खा.
हाँ, सही है.
Yeah.
सही है.
So thank you Girish bhai. I feel the transformation, like I मतलब मैं very honestly I feel the transformation कि weight हल्का होना is so peaceful. It is so peaceful. Like आप heavy दिखो पर अंदर से heavy मत रहो.
हाँ, ये बहुत आगे की बात है. Heavy दिखो
पर अंदर से heavy मत.
True.
So I'll give you one example, मैडम. मेरा एक फ्रेंड है, हम लोग बाइक पे वो उससे बाइक लेके आया था और मैं उसने बोला तुषार बैठ जा पीछे. मैं बैठ गया. अबे बोलता तू इतना हल्का है, दिखता तो है नहीं. So that is around 7 kgs in last 3 months, 90 days.
Wow.
Exactly 90 days.
Cool, very nice.
And I think
Ma'am,
we were just
गिरीश
talking
भाई
about.
अपने स्लिमिंग की क्लासेस स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं बहुत जल्दी.
Pardon, madam, can you come back again?
करना हो. Thank you, Girish. It is such an amazing thing to be.
Ma'am, actually ना Tushar is also very dedicated. क्या होता है कि आप सबको बताते हैं, but people have a lot of things in their mind.
Absolutely.
और आजकल Google में
Those who
इतना चीजें
follow,
हैं.
हाँ.
Yeah, Google में इतनी चीजें हैं which is googly basically. Like how you said, like we are following whatever you are saying, but it's from our heart that if we do it, तो आपको result आना ही है. That is what the rule is. क्योंकि इनका efforts बहुत अच्छा है, इसके लिए इनको ज्यादा results आती हैं.
Yes.
It's not. I have just given a tips, but the efforts is made by them.
Absolutely. That is up to the participant, how up to the other person, whether you are following it religiously or not. If you are following religiously, you will 100% will get the result. ये हो ही नहीं सकता रिजल्ट ना आए.
Yes.
So that is also hats off to you. Great.
And I'll tell you one thing, Kamal is jealous of me because I lost very fast.
आज
Kamal is
ये ना
maintaining his
कमल
muscle.
की वजह से ऐसे नहीं बोलते.
नहीं, मैं अभी when we spoke last time on video call, मैंने बोला देख मेरा हालत क्या हो गया. वो तो यार ऐसे कैसे हो गया. Then I told him like what I have cut down and what
He
I
has
have.
also reduced. जो मैंने देखा है वो भी इसने काफी reduce.
उसने भी काफी
Yeah.
reduce किया.
But तुमने ज्यादा किया, मतलब 3 किलो तुमने ज्यादा किया है.
मैंने जो एडिशन हुआ मैडम, आई थिंक वी वर डिस्कसिंग अराउंड 15 minutes back. you were discussing to someone, because I just joined that time. He said, you said to her or him कि उनको बोलो कि गर्म पानी पीना, गर्म पानी पीना, गर्म पानी पीना. If there is a software in mobile where you have drink water करके, you put in your height, you put in your weight, okay, and it will guide you कि कितना पानी कितने टाइम पे पीना है. You just follow that गर्म पानी, and I'll tell you, madam, अगर किसी का weight कम नहीं हुआ ना, तो you catch a hold of Girish bhai.
Great. Thank you.
And जिसका वेट नहीं है उसके पीछे देखो मैडम, उसके पीछे सामान रखा हुआ है.
हाँ.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू.
अनमोल तो बैठा ही हुआ है, अपने आप बात कर लेगा.
हाँ बताओ.
नहीं, मैं ये बोल रही हूँ कि गिरीश जी से गाइडेंस ले लो.
नहीं, मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया, कॉल जाएगी कल परसों में गिरीश को. पहले ही प्लान बना लिया.
मैं बता रहा हूँ, यू जस्ट टॉक टू
अरे
हिम.
काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो
अब नहीं, अभी नहीं, अभी क्लास में नहीं, सॉरी.
सेशन के बाद.
Hello ma'am, क्या हो
के
रहा है?
बाद
Ma'am, how's my this new gadget?
मेरे घर बार आती है, क्लास में आती रहती है. हाउस माय न्यू गैजेट. कौन सा गैजेट है तेरे पास, अब दिखा.
ये देखो, ये रहा.
ब्लूटूथ.
अरे वाह. अभी वीडियो इसी से देख, सुनना, रुक जा. प्रिया, whose gratitude is today?
today it is Miss Jyoti.
अच्छा, ज्योति, can we start please? We are already late. 15
Yeah.
minutes.
15.
Yeah, thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Yeah.
Thank you, God and universe, for giving me wonderful life of creation. I am thankful and blessed to have my son who loves me, cares for me, and always stands by me. I am blessed to have my healthy parents who loves me unconditionally. I am thankful to them for nurturing me, giving best education, best clothes, best living, and everything best of life. I am thankful for my loving siblings who loves me and are always there for me. I am thankful for my beautiful home where I find my peace and comfort. I am thankful to God for food, air, water, electricity, appliances which are required for my comfort living. I am thankful for my wonderful job which boosts my self-confidence and takes care of my expenses. I am thankful for the abundant money which I have been received throughout my life for my living expenses and my savings also. I am thankful for all my staff, my seniors who are kind to me and always supported me. I am thankful for all my teachers, mentors, bosses, and especially Raji Didi, who has shown me the path of gratefulness and gratitude. I am blessed to have my healthy body, which keeps me going. I am blessed to have wise and intelligent mind, which helps me in taking right decisions at right time. I am blessed. I am God's child. I am one with God and God is one with me. Thank you, everyone, for being my companion in this magical life. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jyoti, for creating such wonderful gratitude statements. Thank you, and God bless you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Didi. Thank you.
Thank you. Great. So let us start the magical journey. Your transformation is my commitment. And I believe everybody's getting transformed. Everybody's taking actions. Everybody's into lots and lots of gratitude. When you show gratitude, miraculous changes happens in your life and you attract miracles in your life. And yesterday, the assignment was that you have to choose any 3 situations, unexpected events or anything, where you can use the magnificent outcome of that event or meeting is this. And if the event has already happened, you are supposed to say, thank you for the magnificent outcome to this. How many of you done it and any experience that you want to share it over here? Because
ma'am,
yeah,
I would like to share something.
yes.
Okay, I'll just share with the last one, the magic stone. Okay. So around like after joining the class, like I was just coming to the, I found a a white stone, like triangle kind of thing. So I kept it near my God, and I daily when I do the rituals, मैं उसका पैर पढ़ता हूँ. And like since I have joined the class, मैं मतलब around 3-4 days में मैं उसका ये पैर पढ़ता हूँ. कल मैंने एकदम आँख बंद करके एकदम मतलब जबरदस्त I prayed जबरदस्त प्रे किया. And today I have seen some positivity happened with me. Believe me, it's something. 2 incidents or 3 incidents in a day does make you very happy, and
Yeah.
all are happy moments. Like so that
Very
is
very
I and since वो घट रखा है ना घर पे मैडम, so we are awake till the whole night. So
Okay.
उसका अगरबत्ती daily रात को like myself like keep on changing it.
Yeah, because 9 days are there, you give अखंड
Yes, yes.
लगाते होंगे ना.
Yeah, now I can see the small. First time only we have kept. So जो जस I don't know जवस होता है उसका plants अभी I think 2 inches का हो गया 3-4 days में.
अच्छा, जवार का वो जो खेतरी में होते हैं.
I'll share the pics today. Once I reach home, I'll share the pics.
So I'm telling you, this Navratra is a very very special Navratra. You know? और ये बहुत सालों के बाद इतने ऑस्पिशियस डेज आए हैं, तभी मैं कह रही थी ये वाला जो नवरात्रा है हर एक की जिंदगी में मिरेकल्स लेके आ सकता है. सो प्लीज कीप टेकिंग एक्शन, कीप शोइंग ग्रैटिट्यूड, कीप फ्लाइंग विद द टूल्स एंड द टेक्निक्स व्हिच इज बीइंग टॉट ओवर हियर. यू विल सी मिराकुलस थिंग्स, बिकॉज ये जो टाइम है ना, ये जो फेज चल रहा है नवरात्रे का, इट इज सो 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 ऑसम. The transformation will happen in your life. It's amazing. Thank you for sharing, Tushar. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, madam. Thank you.
Anybody else would like to share regarding magnificent outcome?
Ma'am, may I, Sanjay here?
Yeah, please, Sanjay.
Basically, this is about one agreement which I had given to my CA. He is going to charge me some good amount as a consultancy besides the जो annual returns होते हैं, तो उसको ऑलरेडी देके 3-4 हफ्ते हो गए हैं. बट yesterday जो क्लास में हमने जो कराए थे 2 में मैंने एक ये लिखा था.
अच्छा.
Today and actually yesterday evening itself I called him up and I was so surprised to see his tone. Otherwise he's always busy, phone नहीं उठाता है कभी. And then I said कि ये अभी हमको क्लियर करना है दिस वीक में. तो he says हाँ करेंगे, by Friday we'll do it, he says. So मैं सोचा मेरा wrong number तो नहीं लग गया. But then I said, I thanked him. I said नहीं अच्छा होगा, because the more delay we make, I have to keep on paying some penalty. So he said नहीं कर लेंगे, you remind me on Thursday and we'll do it. So I said अच्छी बात है, ऐसे हो जाए तो life will be like a, as they say, maska butter. But it's right. Called Bombay language, maska.
Yes, थोड़ी language Bombay की समझ आती है हमें. Great. Thank you, Sanjay ji, for sharing this thing, because
मुझे भी एक छोटा सा शेयर करना है.
क्या बोल रहा है अनमोल?
मेरे को एक बहुत छोटा सा शेयर करना है ना. तो अभी हमारे घर में ना परसों नया फ्रिज लेके आए थे, है ना. तो फ्रिज में आने के बाद ना देयर वर सर्टेन इश्यूज, लाइक आवाज बहुत आ रही है. एंड वो तो पापा ने बोला बेटा ये तो अब फ्रिज घर आ गया. अब पापा की सी आदत है कि अब तो कंपनी वाले मानेंगे नहीं, वो तो उनका व्यू पॉइंट है कि वो लोग ऐसे ही करते हैं, फ्रॉड करते हैं, फलाना धमाका. एंड अब ये रिप्लेस नहीं होगा, ये ऐसे नहीं होगा, वैसे नहीं होगा, है ना, और ये ठीक तो होगा नहीं, तो हम तो फंस गए. हम मतलब कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड अमाउंट. तो ये है वो है. मैंने बात कर रखी है क्रोमा वाले से भी, जिसे लिया था, LG वाले से भी बात करी है, वो आएगा देखेगा. तो बाबा ने सजेस्ट किया कस्टमर केयर पे कंप्लेन कर. खैर वो LG वाला कल आया था, मतलब वो तो मैंने उसमें ना वो चलते फिरते ऑटोमेटिक होता है मैग्निफिकेशन आउट को, मतलब मैं उसके लिए सोच नहीं रहा था. अभी बात हो रही मुझे याद आया, मैंने डाला था इसमें भी, तो मैंने उसमें ऑटोमेटिकली ऑब्वियसली चलते फिरते आउटकम डाल दिया था कि यार अच्छा हो जाए यार, वापस बार बार जाना, बहस करना, इतना खत्म ना हो, ये यहीं सॉर्ट आउट हो जाए, किसी भी तरह सॉर्ट हो जाए. कैन यू बिलीव इट मोनिका, कल वो LG वाला आया बंदा, उसने आते ही पता नहीं फ्रिज में पीछे खोला, उसने एक तार को अंदर डाला और बंद किया. जो फ्रिज में इतनी आवाज हो रही थी भयंकर, फूक ना जाए फ्रिज, नया फ्रिज, वो बिल्कुल बंद हो गई. ये क्या किया हमने? बोले सर क्या होता है, कई बार ट्रांसपोर्ट में ना वो वायर निकला होता है, वो वायर जाता है, हिलता है ना ट्रक में जब आता है वो, उसकी वो टकरा रहा था, उसकी वजह से इतनी जोर जोर से आवाज हो रही है। मैंने कहा बस, बोला यार कुछ नहीं है सर, ठीक है स्मेल का इशू था। उसने बोला कुछ नहीं है सर, अंदर ये जो आपने अंदर भी आपने फ्रिज के अंदर ना वो निकाले नहीं है, हमने सामान तो रख दिया बट टेप वेप लगे, तो फ्रिज बंद होता है गोदाम में, तो टेप वेप में भी बदबू भर जाती है, आप टेप वेप निकालो शाम तक, और उसमें कुछ होता है ऑटो क्लीन करता है, ऑटो स्मेल हटाता है, वो फीचर उसने बताया, उसने ऑन किया। बोला सर मैंने उसको साइन करके नहीं दिए पेपर, तो बोला सर हैप्पी कोड डाल दो, साइन कर दो, बिकॉज मैंने कहा नहीं भाई अगर कर दिया तो तुम तो फिर आओगे नहीं करने, देखें पापा मेरे पीछे कि मत करियो, मतलब फोन पे। मैं कहा मैं अच्छा नहीं करता उसको भी। अच्छा ही वाज सो ग्रेटफुल, आई एम टेलिंग यू, ही वाज सो फिल्ड विद ग्रैटिट्यूड। मैं उसको थैंक्स कर ही रहा था, वो बंदा भी बोला सर उनको भी करना होता है मोनिका ईओडी, मतलब उनका भी होता है ना टास्क कि मुझे ये कंप्लीट करना है। मैंने बोला भैया अभी थोड़ा दिक्कत हो रही है इसमें, आप ये कल ले लेना। वैसे उस बंदे ने भी रेडी ले लिया, ओके कोई बात नहीं भैया आप तो हमारे मतलब एलजी के हो, और ये मतलब अपने आप ही। और मोनिका आई एम टेलिंग यू, वो 1 घंटे बाद वो फ्रिज इतना सही चल रहा है ना कि अब पिताजी कह रहे हैं यार ये तो मैजिक हो गया, क्लिक्स नहीं करना पड़ा, कुछ नहीं करना पड़ा, ये आवाज भी चली गई, स्मेल भी चली गई, कैसे हो गया ये। मैंने कहा डैड बस हो गया, अब डैड को क्या समझाना, बस हो गया। आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट मतलब हाउ इट वर्क्स यार, मैजिक लाइक मैजिक।
वेरी ट्रू। सो ये तो हमारे बाएं हाथ का खेल हो गया, अब ये जो कर रहा है। Great. So see the magic happening in everybody's life, and see these are small things which worries you know, and when you use your magic, ऐसे चुटकियों में काम हो जाता है. So but it is again with lots of prayers and gratitude. So it's that way. So today
मैम एक छोटा sharing मैं भी करूं?
हाँ बिल्कुल कीजिए.
Very little.
हाँ.
This is my student who has kind of pushed me to share my talents with the world. Okay, his name was Arjun. I call him Arjuna. So today, pata nahi kyun man kiya, I just said, okay, hi, you remember me? So then he's like, how can I forget you, ma'am? And I said, okay, so what's happening about the podcast? He said, ma'am, now that things are coming back to normal, believe me, we will work on the podcast. You keep typing out your poems, and we will do it on Amazon, so that you can have a hard copy, and you can have a soft copy on Kindle also. So
Wow.
that is happening, and so that's happening today. So that happened today in my life. Thank you so much.
See,
Didi, I also want to share.
I gave you the idea and
Super,
see this is
super.
happening.
Awesome.
अभी सुबह ही मैंने बोला है कि जॉब छोड़ यार, तू अपने टैलेंट को क्यों बर्बाद कर रही है, अपना कुछ कर, अपना स्टार्ट कर, यूट्यूब
अरे मैंने भी सुबह बोला इसको कि भैया कवर सॉन्ग्स का बताया था प्रिया, तू कर यार, तू पॉपुलर इतनी हो जाएगी, तू भूल जाएगी।
आई नो, हम जैसे आएंगे, प्रिया प्लीज एक ऑटोग्राफ दे दो, हमारे बच्चे पीछे खड़े हुए हैं प्लीज।
नहीं मैंने मोनिका मैंने पहले ही डील कर लिया प्रिया से, आज सुबह ही फ्रंट सीट की डील हो गई है मेरी।
अच्छा भाई
पहले डील कर
गालियों
लेता
के
हूं मैं।
साथ प्लीज मुझे भी उठा लेना।
मैम आप सब हो फ्रंट सीट में, आप हैं, अनमोल है, और नितेश है, कमलजीत है।
मैं तो स्टेज पे आ जाऊंगी और मैं कहूंगी ये वही मेरी प्रिया ही है।
Of course.
Okay, so Anila is saying कि she has, I want to say I need blessings. I have applied for 2 jobs which is outside Mumbai. Okay, Anila, we'll pray for you. Priya, इसका ध्यान रख लेना जरा. And see, this is a very auspicious month, and these are the wonderful days, Anila. 100% just create the magnificent outcome of applying in these jobs is this. Write down today and keep on reminding yourself and see the things happening. Okay, this world, after all, our science and sciences is still a miracle. Wonderful, scrutable, magical, and more to whosoever will think of it. वो जो सोचता है उसी के लिए होगा, जो नहीं सोचता उसके लिए नहीं होगा. So who is going to read today?
I will read.
Okay.
Hello.
I think
Madam, it is allotted to me, Tushar.
Yeah, it's Tushar.
Hello,
Tushar ji.
तुषार को दे दे, तू तो कहीं से भी आ जाती है. Yes.
अरे तो आज तो मेरा नया स्पीकर आया ना.
हाँ.
चलो कोई बात.
So you want to take the charge? Yeah.
नहीं तू एक पेज एक पेज इसको पढ़ने
हाँ
दे।
एक पेज पढ़ लो, फिर मैं पढ़ लूंगी
So
आगे
we
का।
will check this.
मैं
We'll
कह
check
रही
the
हूँ एक पेज
Bluetooth.
तू पढ़ ले, सुजाता उसको पढ़ने दे।
We will check the Bluetooth how
ओके
it
फाइन,
is.
ओके फाइन,
स्टार्टिंग का फर्स्ट पेज।
मैं एक पेज पढ़ लेती हूँ। Before your very eyes, this world, after all our science and sciences, is still a miracle, wonderful, inscrutable, magical, and more to whosoever will think it of it. 7 years ago, when I first discovered the secret and the magical power of gratitude, I made a list of all my desires. It was a long list. At that time, there seemed to be no possible way my desires could come true. Nevertheless, I took my top 10 desires and I carried them with me on a piece of paper every day. Whenever I had an opportunity, I would take out my list and read through it, giving as much gratitude for each desire as I could, as though I had received it. With my number one desire, the desire I wanted more than anything else, I kept it constantly in my mind, and I would say the magic words, thank you for it, multiple times in a day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And feel as if it had come true. One by one, every desire on my list magically appeared before my very eyes, and I received my desires. I would cross them off my list. And when I had new desires, I would add them to my list.
Wow.
One of my desires from my original long list was to travel to Bora Bora near Tahiti. After spending a beautiful week at the exact place in Bora Bora I had listed, another beautiful thing happened. I was flying to the mainland of Tahiti on my way home when the airplane stopped en route to pick up passengers. The flight had been empty, but it filled to the brim with native Tahitians, and suddenly laughter, smiling faces, and happiness that was palpable surrounded me.
थैंक यू सुजाता, इतना अच्छा पढ़े थे, तेरे स्पीकर वाकई बहुत अच्छे, अमेजिंग, मैजिकल।
Thank you, ma'am.
नहीं जनरली अच्छे हैं, थैंक यू।
सच्ची में
आपने
अच्छे
बोल
हैं,
दिया तो
बड़े
और
अच्छे लग
अच्छे
रहे
हो
हैं।
गए हैं।
Now I can read it.
या तुषार प्लीज।
As I enjoyed the short fight with these beautiful people, it became crystal clear to me the reason why they were so happy. They were grateful. They were grateful to be alive. They were grateful to be on the airplane. They were grateful to be on with each other. They were grateful for where they were going. They were grateful for everything. I could have stayed on the plane and traveled around the world with them. It felt so good to be with them. And then it struck me that I just received my final desire. Bora Bora was the last desire on my original long list. A- And and the reason I was on that, the plane was before my very eyes. Gratitude.
Now this
I have
chapter is saying, this chapter is saying before your eyes. Before your eyes means आपके सपने आपके आंखों के सामने हैं। हर सपने को जीना, अपनी आंखों में आंख बंद करके उसको जीना, उसमें रहना, उस मोमेंट्स को महसूस करना, उसको फील करना, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है। अब उसने एक बोरा बोरा का सपना देखा था कि मुझे वहां जाना है, एंड ही वेंट ओवर देयर ना। अब देखो सबसे बड़ी बात जो वो शेयर कर रहा है, वो ये शेयर कर रहा है, दे वर द ब्यूटिफुल पीपल एंड दे वर सो ग्रेटफुल। क्यों उनके साथ उनको क्यों इतना अच्छा लगा? बिकॉज वो सारा टाइम ग्रेटफुल थे। सब किस चीज के लिए ग्रेटफुल? कि वो जिंदा है। और हम लोग क्या यार, क्या जिंदगी है, ये हो गया वो हो गया, हमारे पास सिवाय कंप्लेंट्स के, सिवाय रीजंस के, वी डोंट हैव एनीथिंग। और वो थे, शुक्र है भगवान का कि हम जिंदा है, वाओ वी आर अलाइव, सो फुल ऑफ लाइफ। अलाइव का मतलब होता है फुल ऑफ लाइफ। एंड सबसे बड़ी बात देखो, दे वर ग्रेटफुल टू बी ऑन द प्लेन, मतलब वो जिस मोमेंट में है उस मोमेंट को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. यू आर ग्रेटफुल दैट यू आर अलाइव एंड एंजॉइंग दैट मोमेंट. अब वो मोमेंट को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, सो दे वर ग्रेटफुल वेयर दे वर. उसके बाद वो जहां जा रहे हैं, मतलब उस मोमेंट के अंदर रह रहे हैं. और हम या तो पास्ट में रहते हैं कि उसने पता नहीं क्या कह दिया, ये कह दिया, वो कह दिया, उस मोमेंट को पकड़ के बैठ जाते हैं, या फिर पता नहीं मेरी जॉब का क्या होगा, मुझे मिलेगी कि नहीं मिलेगी, पता नहीं उसका क्या होगा. ईदर वी आर लिविंग इन द पास्ट और वी आर लिविंग इन द फ्यूचर, और वी आर वरीड अबाउट द फ्यूचर. बट व्हाट अबाउट दिस मोमेंट? अभी इस मोमेंट पे मैजिक सेशन हो रहा है. व्हेन यू आर कंप्लीटली एनग्रोस्ड इनटू द मैजिक सेशन, द मिरेकल्स विल हैपन इन योर लाइफ. जब आप ये मैजिक सेशन अटेंड करते हो, आपकी वाइब्रेशन इतनी हाई हो जाती है कि आप तो बोल रहे हैं कि वो तन्वी बोल रही है कि मुझे कोविड हो गया. आप किससे मर्जी मिलो, आप यू आर इन हाई वाइब्रेशनल स्टेट, आपको कुछ नहीं हो सकता. बट डोंट लीव द gap. You don't have to have the gap in between. You have to be in the high vibrational state.
Bola.
So you need to be making sure that you are living that moment. और वही कह रहा है, उसको इतना अच्छा लगा कि मैं I could have stayed on that plane, traveled around the world. अगर पूरी दुनिया भी घूमनी पड़ जाए उनके साथ, तो मैं खुश हूं उनके साथ जाने में, because he enjoyed their company. इसका मतलब ये है, you are the being, you are the person who can be such kind कि आप किसके साथ भी जाओ तो हर बंदा आपको, मुझे इस इंसान के साथ रहना बहुत पसंद है, मुझे इसके इंसान के साथ रहना है, इस इंसान का दुनिया भी घूमनी पड़े मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. So you have to become that kind of personality so that you are wanted everywhere. So जो alive है, जो प्रेजेंट में जीना जानता है, सारी दुनिया उसी के साथ रहना चाहती है. बिकॉज जो क्रिप करेगा, जो कंप्लेन करेगा, उसके बाद सिवाय इसके और कुछ नहीं, उसको कुछ और दिखता ही नहीं. उनका टॉपिक कंप्लेन से शुरू होता है, एंड भी कंप्लेन से होता है. सो स्टॉप कंप्लेनिंग एंड स्टार्ट लिविंग दैट मोमेंट. यस प्लीज.
I have shared this story as an inspiration for you because no matter how big your desire seems to be, you can receive them through gratitude. Even more than that, gratitude will bring a joy before, and that it's truly priceless. For the time I began using gratitude and the law of attraction to the time I received, received my final desire on my original list was 4 years. To give you an idea of enormousness of receiving my desires in that amount of this bar is coming. Amount of time, when I created my desire list, my company was $2 million in debt, and I had 2 months before I would be forced to shut it down and would lose my home and everything I owned. The money I owed on my personal credit cards was a small fortune, and yet on my other desire list was to own a big house overlooking the ocean, the travel of exotic places in the world, to have paid all my debts, to expand my company, to restore every relationship to the best it could be, improve the quality of my family's lives to be 100%. Next page.
100% healthy again, and
Yeah.
have unlimited energy. And
No, I'm unable to see that, madam.
कैसे?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay.
वो आपने 100%
You
कर
just
रखा
you
होगा,
just
है
have
ना?
to you just have to pull up the page a bit, Tushar ji. Just pull up the page a bit so that you can read the last line.
No, I cannot do that. That's what.
Okay, come to the next.
वो एक्चुअली
Gone to the next page. Come to the
लैपटॉप
next.
में पढ़ते हैं ना, तो उसमें
The
परसेंटेज करते हैं, व्यू में 100%. तो
Thank you so much, Cyber. Excitement for life, along with the usual list of material things, and my number one desire, which seems like an absolute impossibility to many of these people around me, was to bring joy to millions of people through my work. The very first desire that I received was bringing joy to millions of people through my work. The rest desire magically followed, and one by one, as they appeared before my very own very eyes, I crossed them off my list.
Yeah.
So now it is one second. So now it is your turn to use the gratitude magical power to make your desire appear before your very eyes. At the start of the day, take your top 10 desire list that you created. Read through each sentence and desire on your list. And for 1 minute, imagine your visualize that you are received your desire. Feel that's it. Feel as much gratitude as you can, and if you have it on, I have it now. Carry your desired list with you today in your pocket. On on at least 2 occasions in the day. Take it out your list, read through it, and feel as much gratitude for each one as you can, as through you have received.
Yeah, so that means whenever you have a desire, now what you have to do is आपने अपनी ड्रीम लिस्ट या डिजायर लिस्ट लेनी है और एक एक को उठाना है, एक डिजायर को उठाना है, आंख बंद करके आपने उसको जीना है, दिल से जीना है. अपना हाथ रखो, राइट हैंड रखो हार्ट पे एंड देखो कि वो क्या हो रहा है. वो ड्रीम आपका मैनिफेस्ट हो गया है, उसमें आपको उस मोमेंट को जीना है. एंड एक चीज का बहुत ध्यान रख लेना, whether you are doing a job, whether you're doing a business, whether you're doing anything else, अगर आपका फोकस सिर्फ पैसा है कि मुझे पैसा कमाना है, मेरी जॉब में मुझे पैसा मिल जाएगा, मुझे ये हो जाएगा, मेरा वो हो जाएगा, तो आपको जो है ना, योर माइंड इज ओनली मनी 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 मनी. इफ योर फोकस इज ऑन सर्विंग पीपल, इन द सेंस, अब एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ. इफ यू आर गिविंग a bill of electricity, if you're giving a bill of telephone, you know, तो क्या होता है, अरे यार इतना पैसा लग गया, मेरे तो 26,000 का बिल आ गया, कितने ज्यादा पैसे लग गए इस बारी तो मेरे. इंस्टेड ऑफ थिंकिंग दैट वे कि मेरे इतने सारे पैसे लग गए, बिकॉज योर माइंड शुड नॉट लिंक्ड टू मनी. उसको इस तरह से करो, देखो पैसे तो आपने ऐसे भी देने और ऐसे भी देने. सो इफ यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ सर्विस, that is a kind of gratitude you are showing to that money. आप ये बोलो 26,000 रुपए देने, my God, the kind of service I am getting. बिजली पूरे 1 महीने की बिजली, यानी कि बिजली कैसे आती है, कितने लोग इसमें इन्वॉल्व है, and I am supporting so many people. और मेरी इस 26,000 से कितने सारे लोगों के घरों का चूल्हा जलेगा, कितने सारे लोगों को, एम्प्लॉइज को सैलरी मिलेगी. इफ यू थिंक दैट वे, तो आपको 26,000 कुछ नहीं लगेंगे. सो दैट विल बी द ग्रेटिट्यूड शोन. सिमिलरली व्हेन यू थिंक अबाउट कि आपका बिजनेस है, आपका बिजनेस चाहे ज्वेलरी का है, आपका बिजनेस चाहे प्रॉपर्टी का है, आपका बिजनेस किसी भी चीज का है, सो इफ यू थिंक इट, यू डोंट थिंक अबाउट कि मैं कितना कमा रहा हूं, you think about कि if I give this service to the people, लोगों को क्या benefit हो रहा है. Don't think about the money. कमाने का नहीं है, money को इस तरह से दो कि you are giving service to people. When you are connected to service, you are showing gratitude to whatever you are earning. You are showing gratitude whatever this amount is going. So always remember, whatever bill you are paying, always say कि I am serving nation, serving so many people. तो वो जो gratitude होगा ना, that will raise you up, you know, that way. So always remember, कभी ये मत सोचा आपके पैसे खर्च नहीं होते हैं. आप अगर अपने लिए ड्रेस भी खरीद रहे हो ना, तो आप ये सोचो, वाओ, एक ड्रेस के पीछे में कितने सारे लोग, मतलब एक सेल्समैन भी है, फैक्ट्री भी है, फैक्ट्री के लोग भी हैं, किसने क्या किया होगा, किसने स्टिच किया होगा, कहीं से कपड़ा आया होगा. ओ माय गॉड, आई एम सर्विंग सो मेनी पीपल, वाओ. एंड व्हेन यू गिव दैट मनी, तुम्हारे को इतना सा भी नहीं चुभेगा. बिकॉज जब आप कोई चीज खरीदते हो, यार ये 20,000 की यार चीज बहुत अच्छी है, लेकिन दिल पर 20,000 किया यार क्या करो, सो मन में ना वो खटास आई कि 20,000 रुपए जा रहे हैं, 20,000 रुपए जा रहे हैं, इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट 20,000 रुपए जा रही है, उसे वाओ व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल ड्रेस यार, कितने फैक्ट्री में लोगों ने काम किया होगा, एक के पास ये काज करने गया होगा, एक ने बटन लगाया होगा, एक ने एम्ब्रॉयडरी की है, एक ने ये किया, माय गॉड, एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन सो मेनी पीपल, वाओ. So your vibration will not go down. You will not feel bad about it, but you will feel higher about it that you are serving so many people. Are you getting my point? This is the best way of spending, or you can say circulating money. We don't say we are spending money, we are circulating money. तो एक ये बहुत अच्छा तरीका है मनी को सर्कुलेट करने का. एंड व्हेन यू आर गिविंग मनी फॉर एनीथिंग, देते टाइम बोलेंगे थैंक यू सो मच, एंड यू कम टू मी मल्टीपल टाइम्स, यू विल कम टू मी मल्टीपल टाइम्स, आई ब्लेस यू, यू कम टू मी मल्टीपल टाइम्स, एंड दिस, और जो मनी आप दे रहे हो आप उसको ब्लेस करके दो कि इतने सारे लोगों की सर्विस के लिए मेरा पैसा जा रहा है और मुझे पता है ये मल्टीपल टाइम्स मेरे पास वापस आएगा. See the things happening in your life, it will be amazing, you will see. Yes, please go ahead.
If you want to desire to come more quickly, I would highly recommend you that you carry your desire list with you in your wallet or purse from the day from this day forward, and whenever you have time, open it, read through it, and feel as much gratitude as you can for each other. When you desires appear before your eyes, cross them off your list and add more. And if you're like me, each time you cross the desire of your list, you will be in tears of joy, because what you seemed impossible was made possible.
Yeah. So जब आप ये जियोगे ना और जब आपका मैनिफेस्ट हो जाएगा तो आपकी आंखों में पानी आ जाएगा कि वाओ यार ये नहीं हो सकता था लेकिन ये हुआ. This is what is the power of magic. This is what is the power of gratitude. Yes.
Through the magical power of gratitude. Take out your list, read through it.
No. Magic practice number 22.
Achha, this is one. Okay. Magic practice number 22 before your very eyes. Count the blessing. Make list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing say thank you, and feel as grateful as that blessings as you can. At the start of the day, take your top 10 desire list that you created. Third, read through each sentence and desire on your list, and for the time
for 1 minute.
1 minute, imagine or visualize that you have received your desire. Feel much gratitude as you can. Fourth, carry your desire list with you today in your pocket on least 2 occasions in the
day.
No, I'm not able to see it, madam.
Left side पे आ जाओ. 2 occasions in the day. Take out your
2 occasions in the day. Take out your list, read through it, and feel as much as gratitude as you can. Number 5, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magical rock in one hand and say the magic word. Thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Thank you.
Thank you, Tushar. Thank you for creating so beautifully. Thank you so much. तुमने इतने दिल से कमल को याद किया, कमल आ गया.
That is telepathy.
See, imagine कमल, तुमने तो नहीं आना था, तुम आज इवनिंग में कैसे आ गए?
नवनाथ ने कहा कि नवनाथ text me that you come.
अच्छा, इतनी जोर से याद किया.
अच्छा, मुझे लगा कमल को वाइब्स पहुंच गई, इतनी शिद्दत से उसको याद किया जा रहा था कि सारी कायनात उसको क्लास तक पहुंचाने में लग गई.
थैंक यू सो मच. मुझे भी ना इवनिंग खाली लग रही थी. आई एम एडिक्टेड टू यू ऑल.
कमल खाली लगने का सवाल ये था कि तुझे हिचकियां भी लगी होंगी. हमने 4-5 बार तेरा नाम ले ही लिया होगा.
4-5? माय गॉड.
अरे बहुत बार लिया, छोड़ो, बहुत बार लिया था.
थैंक यू सो मच. आई लव यू ऑल.
नहीं लव यू नहीं पूछा, नहीं तुमने क्या क्यों हो रहा है?
अच्छा हाँ, क्यों हुआ था
ये तो पूछ ले, लव से बोले के पूछ ले।
हाँ
ये पूछो ना क्या कह रहा था ये,
हाँ,
चैलेंज
क्या
कर रहा
कहते
था
हैं?
तुमको।
Kamal, we met in, you remember our get together in
Yeah.
January.
Yes.
That time you, me were full high, and we
Yeah.
met Girish to how to reduce the weight.
Correct.
That's
We are still
what
reducing.
we were, that's what we were discussing.
नहीं इसने एक और भी कुछ
नहीं
बोला
नहीं
था।
हाँ
I told we were high.
हाँ
नहीं ऐसा उसने क्या
नहीं,
बोला,
नहीं।
तुषार सेड दैट कमल से भी अच्छा मेरा बॉडी हो गया है within
हाँ,
like,
हाँ,
कमल ये बोला
मेन
था।
बात खा गया तुषार।
Kamal,
That is
Kamal,
so
वही
मैंने
उसने
wonderful.
बोला, मैंने ज्यादा फास्टर रिड्यूस किया वेट देन कमल।
Wow,
now
wow,
Kamal
wow.
will reduce. Now Kamal will reduce faster than me.
That's very nice.
Kamal reduced and again he gained little.
कमल
Yeah, Kamal,
I did. Hi.
हाय।
So it we should be slim as per Monica ma'am.
Yes.
ओहो मोनिका मैम के कंधे पे बंदूक चला रहा है।
No. As per your words, slim, not fat reducing, slim.
ऑब्वियसली मैं तो बोल ही रही हूँ, मैंने तो बोला कमल कितना स्लिम हो गया।
मेरे जैसे
हाँ
हाँ
भाई उतना भी नहीं होना है हमको प्लीज।
सुजाता देख लेते, उतने भी नहीं होना है, तुझे थोड़ा सा हेल्दी होना पड़ेगा।
Girish bhai is there. Girish is there for the tips, madam.
तुषार was saying कि मैं ज्यादा पतला हो गया हूँ कमल से,
हाँ
बस यही बात है,
true.
बस इतनी सी बात थी, इससे ऊपर नहीं था कुछ। So that means a little bit challenge for you, so that you have to reduce more now equal to Tushar.
हाँ.
He'll
Hot
do
water
it.
therapy.
He'll do it.
मतलब कमल भाई चैलेंज आ रहा है, चैलेंज
Challenge.
Yeah,
कर
done.
लो।
Accepted.
Anyway, good you came.
Tushar, this Kamal ji is gaining weight because of all the love and all the magic that is happening in his life. You should understand that, ma'am.
ये चक्कर है।
The difference is the difference is like since I'm working out, my weight is not reducing, so muscle is growing up, fat is getting lost. तुषार का ऐसा हो सकता है कि that muscle and fat loss दोनों हो चुका होगा।
नहीं,
am I right?
कमल नहीं।
गिरीश, अब बताओ भैया फैट लॉस हुआ है कि मसल लॉस है कि क्या वेट लॉस है क्या है?
Anyway, it's debatable.
ये लेक्चर तो गिरीश ही करेगा। अरे
now boss will tell what is happening.
गिरीश है, गिरीश ऐसा करेगा, कौन जीता कौन हारा।
Kamal, I think you have to change the drink.
Okay, so let us conclude the chapter. This chapter says that the secret and magical power of gratitude, that you take the dream list, visualize it as many times as you can, and be grateful. Every moment, live that moment, and grateful to each other, grateful for everything, and bring joy to millions of people. जब आप कुछ बेचते भी हो, अगर आप किसी को कुछ देते भी हो, don't think that you are gaining, आप profit आ रहा है, पैसे आ रहे, don't think that way. You say you are giving service to people, and people, they are paying for your gratitude. जहां आपका perception change हुआ ना, automatically you will gain more money, you will start earning more money. And when you're spending money, you think that you're serving for the people for one product which is being taken care by so many people. So just एक थोड़ा सा shift करो अपने सोचने का. Okay, so this is a beautiful video. I must show this video.
I never was the kind of woman like to get in a car and just go for a walk. I had a boyfriend and would say, let's just go for a walk. I want to know, where are we going? You can't personally stop anybody from walking into school with an assault rifle. And it'll take more than you alone to pull 40 million Americans out of poverty, but who will you be if you don't care enough to try? I used to fear hearing the term, who do you think you are? What's up, Believe Nation? For your life. Even if you don't know the plan, you have to have a direction in which you choose to go. I never was the kind of woman who liked to get in a car and just go for a ride. I had a boyfriend who would say, let's just go for a ride. I want to know, where are we going? Do we have a destination? Is there a plan? Or are we just riding? What I've learned is that's a great metaphor for life. You want to be in the driver's seat of your own life, because if you're not, life will drive you. So, knowing who you really are in this space and time that we embody, that's number one. What do you want? Who are you? Rule number 2, express your truth no matter what. Definition for me. Vulnerability is being willing to express the truth no matter what. The truth of who you are. The essence at your core of what you feel.
Ma'am, please turn off the recording.
It's being able to open up your soul and let it flow. So
So be it, so be it, so be it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, today's assignment is write down 10 blessings. You will see 10 desires, desire list निकालोगे, एक मिनट के लिए visualize करोगे and live every moment in front of your eyes. वो 10 के 10 जो आपके desire हैं, उनको जियोगे और fully उसके अंदर engross होके जियोगे. And do it, और 2 बारी करना है पूरे दिन में, and at night you will use magical rock, the best moment of the day. Thank you, thank you, thank you for being in the class. Thank you for taking charge of your class, and thank you so much. Anybody has any doubt?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, Didi. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Monica.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you everybody.
Thank you.
Have a nice
Thank you,
magical
ma'am.
evening.